How to find your account ID in the My Drama application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to find your account ID in the My Drama app, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First things first, open the My Drama app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile button. Inside the profile section, you'll see your name and then your user ID right underneath your name at the top, right here as you can see it on the page. Tap on this little copy button to copy your account ID. Once your account ID is copied, you can paste it in a private location, or you might also need it for support or account help later. So that's how you know where to find your account ID in the My Drama application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.